Have you been considering ordering from Omaha Steaks? If you want to know what it's like getting your first box from Omaha Steaks, we just received ours, so we're going to go ahead and open it up, see what's inside, give it a little review, and cook some stuff up. We ordered a variety of different things. We ordered some traditional classic Omaha steak products, some chicken, some beef, some pork, some steaks. We also got a couple side dishes and a couple pre-made meals that are ovenable. So let's go ahead and get the box and see what it's like. When you first open the box, everything comes individually boxed. So this is going to be diced sirloin tips, chicken piccata skillet meal, this is beef shepherd's pie. Give me a couple minutes, let me get this all sorted out. If you do see anything while we're going through the box, go ahead and leave me a comment on which ones you want to see me cook first. That way we can make a video and get it out for you so you can see how it comes out. So we have it all sorted out. Let's take a look. So we're going to start with our Omaha Steaks Classics. It came with filet mignons, top sirloins. They're nice, solidly frozen. These are bacon wrapped fillets. The next one we got is our boneless pork chops. They come nice, frozen solid. They're consistent shape and size, so when you're cooking them up, they'll all cook the same. Now this whole package, all this stuff combined, we'll go over that in a minute, but the whole box together cost me $212. Next we have, let's find out. Our boneless, skinless chicken breast. Again, fully frozen and sized and portioned so they'll all cook evenly. And then these are the side dishes, which came with my main package. It comes with a side and dessert. This is potatoes au gratin and caramel apple tartettes. These are potatoes au gratin, little potato balls. And inside we have dessert, which is like little caramel apple pie. Woo. Just throw them in the oven. Alright, so the rest of these items didn't come with the original package or the planned out package. This is stuff that was either bonuses or stuff I added on. So first, Omaha Steaks was running a promotion where it came with a free cooked pit ham. It's 2.5 pounds. So to cook that up, it's a spiral sliced ham. We'll put that in the oven. Maybe we'll cook this one at the end of the video and see how it comes out. Haven't had this one before. And that came free with the purchase. This is something I added to my bag, which is sirloin beef tips. I'm going to use these to make some Philly cheesesteaks on the griddle. So subscribe if you want to see that one. Probably do that in a couple weeks. Alright, oh, for my reward, with using my points from the Steak Lovers Rewards program from Omaha Steaks, I got meatballs. You throw them in the oven, they come in a little bag like this. This is what I use my points for. And then these are other things I decided to mix it up a little bit and try. So on their website, they have a whole bunch of pre-made meals that I wasn't really aware of, but last time I was on their website, I saw them and figured they're not really that more expensive than they would be in the store, so I'd give them a try. This first one's a side dish to go with our steaks. It's going to be steakhouse cream corn. So it comes frozen in a little tray. You can do that in the microwave or in the oven. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. We'll be cooking this with one of our meals. Maybe not today, but coming up. And these are all items that I have not tried yet that we're going to go ahead and make that are pre-made meals. This first one is Meat Lovers Lasagna. It's pretty fancy. And I think this was like $15. I'm pretty sure the corn was $9.99. This one will be beef shepherd's pie. I've never made shepherd's pie before, but I know it's delicious. So we'll see what kind of quality Omaha Steaks is. Oh, little on top, mashed potatoes. It's like corn, peas. Just throw it in the oven, heat it up, fully cooked. And the last one is going to be chicken piccata skillet meal. So we're gonna have some Italian options too. Oh, looks like this one you can't see, but comes in a plastic bag that's gonna go in the skillet. I think it's one skillet. Gonna have that with the garlic bread. All right, so stick around. We're gonna cook some of these things up, give them a little review, let Omaha Steaks know how they're doing. Enjoy. Now we've let our steaks thaw for about a day and a half in the fridge. We're gonna go with our classic cuts, the bacon wrapped filet and the top sirloin. Now, first impressions of the steaks, they do have good color and good marbling. So give them a little bit of our Kinder's Prime Steakhouse seasoning and get them in a pan with some butter. Now, while we're waiting for our pan to heat up, there are a few things that I don't like about Omaha Steaks. Number one being the packaging. Compared to other companies like maybe ButcherBox or CROWDCOW, you do end up with a lot of extra cardboard. Now, this cardboard, besides just being trash, also makes it a little harder for them to be stored in your freezer. They take up extra space. Additionally, the steaks are a little bit more pricey. They do come well trimmed, decent marbling, and not a lot of extra fat or waste on the steaks. But when you see the price, it is a little shocking for the size of the cuts that you get. Now, the steaks that we're searing up today, just a couple minutes on each side. I do like mine medium rare, so you might want to cook yours a little bit more. Now, the top sirloins are going to be a little more well done than the fillets, just because they are a thinner cut. Nice little sear on them though. Let's get them on the plate and see how they look when they're cut up. First, we're going to go with the filet. So let's see how we did. I've let the steak rest for about 5 minutes, so it should be well rested. First impression, color looks good, tastes delicious. Top sirloin's going to be next. This one is a little thinner, so it's a little more well done. Overall, I'd say the quality of the meat was fair to great. I have had some better, some worse. I think a drawback for some people would be both the price and the extra packaging. However, if you're looking for a holiday treat or a gift for someone that says, hey, look, you're worth it, I care about you, Omaha Steaks would be a good gift idea. Now, if you do have time, we do review several other meat delivery services, so be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.